Many people use the words saving and investing as if they mean the same thing, but they are not the same. You will understand more about save vs invest in this video, because understanding the difference quietly changes how money grows over time. Saving protects money. Investing grows money. Those two roles may sound similar at first, but they serve very different purposes in a financial life. If you enjoy calm, practical insights about money that you can apply immediately, consider subscribing to the channel. Fasten your seatbelts. When people begin organizing their finances, saving usually comes first. Savings accounts, emergency funds, money set aside for unexpected events. Saving creates stability. It provides protection. It reduces financial stress. It creates breathing room when life becomes unpredictable. That is an important role. In fact, strong savings are usually the first step toward financial stability. But saving has a limitation that many people overlook. Money sitting in savings usually grows slowly, very slowly. In many cases, the interest earned barely keeps up with inflation, which means that over long periods of time, the purchasing power of that money may barely change. Hold that thought. This is where investing enters the picture. Investing gives money the opportunity to grow. Instead of simply storing money, investing allows money to participate in economic growth. Businesses expand. Markets evolve. Innovation happens. And when you invest, your money participates in that growth. Stay with me for a moment. This is where many people become confused. Saving and investing are not competing strategies. They are complementary tools. Saving provides security. Investing builds wealth. Both roles are essential, but they should not be used for the same goals. Savings are best used for short-term stability, emergency funds, unexpected expenses, money you may need in the near future. Savings protect you from financial surprises. Investing works differently. Investing is designed for long-term growth. Money you will not need immediately. Money that can remain invested for years or even decades. Because investing requires something that saving does not. Time. Time allows investments to grow through compounding. And compounding is one of the most powerful forces in finance. Small growth, repeated consistently, over long periods of time. This is how wealth quietly builds. Now consider what happens when these roles become confused. If someone saves everything but never invests, money remains protected, but growth remains limited. Over many years, that limitation becomes significant. But the opposite can also create problems. If someone invests money they may need tomorrow, they may be forced to sell at the wrong time. Markets move up and down, and short-term needs can interrupt long-term growth. That is why the balance between saving and investing matters. Savings creates safety. Investing creates growth. Safety and growth together create financial progress. Imagine building your financial life like a structure. Savings form the foundation. They keep the structure stable. They absorb unexpected shocks. Investing builds the upper levels. That is where expansion happens. That is where long-term growth begins. Without the foundation, the structure becomes risky. Without growth, the structure never expands. Both parts are necessary. Before we close, one final thought. Many people delay investing because it feels complicated or uncertain. But the most important step is not perfection. It is understanding the role each tool plays. Save to protect, invest to grow. And when those roles become clear, money decisions become much easier. Because every dollar has a purpose. Some dollars protect your present. Other dollars build your future. This is Money Decoded. Money without the noise. If this episode helped clarify the difference between saving and investing, share your thoughts in the comments. Which one do you currently focus on more? Saving or investing? If you want practical financial insights you can apply immediately, subscribe to the channel, because understanding money clearly is the first step toward using it wisely. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next episode.